Welcome back, I'm Larry. So I got a quick little tech tip that I'm gonna give right quick. So I'm sitting here working on my 1990 Ford Ranger, and I've been having this problem with the tailgate to where this side here will not release properly to let the tailgate open. I had to put a screwdriver in between the latch and the mechanism to open it, and that's how it opens. So here's what I discovered. So I pulled the whole rod and everything out. I checked the bushings here because a lot of times them plastic little bushings will wear out here that are on the latch. Right there, these little plastic clips will wear out, and then it'll get loose inside this hole and start waddling around. Well, that ain't what happened here. You see them still look good. What I discovered is you have this piece here, and I took the other side apart to see it. It's still good and intact. It has this thick sheathing here that looped around the hook here and took up the slack. So what I did, I took a piece of vacuum line. In case you're wondering, there is the size. It's a 5/32. Part number if you want it. Master Pro from O'Reilly's. And that's just something I had laying around. But anyway, that's what it looks like. I took it, and it is some work to force it around this hook. Had to put it up in here and kind of push and pull on this side and keep working it until finally I got it down far enough. And I'm gonna try that. Now we're put it in here, it's nice and tight. I'm gonna put this back in and we're gonna see if it works. All right, moment of truth. Oh, look at there. Much better. Still a little bit clunky. I could probably adjust this latch a little bit where it latches out over here, and it'll be really good. Okay, so I just wanted to show that really quick. I weren't going to do a video on this. I was kind of tinkering with it a little bit, and I was like, you know what, this might be a good video to shoot just to show in case somebody else has this problem. So yeah, it does work. So yeah, a piece of, 5/32 fuel line, and good as new. So yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, excuse me. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the drop box down below. If you got any better ideas that might work even better, leave them down below and let me know what you got. So that's it for this one. So until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.